Yeah, like today I will be discussing with the chapter that is the advanced features of MS Word. So in the advanced features of MS Word, we have found that there are so many features like the headers and footers, the footnote, the endnotes, okay, and we have done with the insert pictures. That is also particularly one of the features of MS Word, and advanced features of MS Word. Also, we can, with the help of the pictures, we can insert the word art features. We can insert any pictures, and we can set the pictures and all that I will be doing in the practical. But in order to solve the exercise, you'll find there is some tricky questions over here that is difficult to solve right now. Some of you have asked me to do in a pretty good way so that you understand the things correctly. For you only, I have done that. So you find these advanced features of MS Word, and you have the heading. This is the footer, the footnote, the footer, the endnote, the design, and you also have the insert. So I have systematically written that. Dash, first thing that can come, that dash is this is just solving the exercise that you have in that page at the end of the chapter of the exercise 5, chapter 5, that you have the exercise. So you find that dash is the text that appears at the end of the page in a particular document. So the answer is footer. So footer, always put down. So the text there you can write down that appears at the end of the page. So that is number one, is the footer. So you can write down over here footer, F-O-O-T-E-R, you can write down footer, F-O-O-T-E-R, footer. So there will be the answer of footer. Okay, so you find the footer, and then comes the commands to add a border to the text, and that will be present in the design tab. Yes, design. So D is S-I-G-N. You have in design in the design tab, and you also have number 3, that is to insert a picture in a document. Click on the dash. So whenever you insert something, you go to the insert option. So that is the insert option. Insert tab, you go, and you can insert whatever you want to insert. Insert picture, insert. So insert a picture in a document. There lies a picture in document, and you can insert that. Coming to dash are placed at the end of each page, and a very complicated question. You find that footer is there, and now dash are placed at the end of each page in the document. Each page means end of the page. So end of the page is the footnote. End of the page name. You page in a document. So that is the footnote placed at each end. And why? Because at the end of the chapter we go for the end note. Whenever we go that, so over here we write dash, that means footnote, F-O-T-N-O-T-E. So F-O-O-T-N-O-T-E. So here is a footnote. And dash are placed at the end of the chapter section that I've already told, that is, this should be the end note. So over here, end note, E-N-D, end note, N-O-T-E. So you write that over there. Now, this is clear now up to this. So, no complication, there's no complication over here, because this is set as it is. Now you will come to the state true and false. You find that true and false is there. So you can place down T for true, and if for false you can write. And this is also a complicated one. By default, the footer are printed at 2 inches, 0.5 inches from the top of the page. Top of the page means not from the top. Footer is down, so it cannot be from the top of the page. So that it should be false. So this false are written over here, and you find that this is false, right? So now we come to the next one, that you can add date and time in the header or a footer. Yes, we can add. I have shown that in the practical how we can add the header. So that is true. Endnotes cannot be included as numbers. Normally we don't put in the endnotes the numbers. So, but if you want to put down, type out a year as an endnote, and there you put down the particular So in the footnotes, you can write something about a particular topic or particular text, but if you are writing some here, so that can be done. So there, for that reason, we write it. The footnote cannot be included numbers, so we write false. There you can use numbers or alphanumeric characters, you can insert. For that reason, false. The reason behind it, the data once added to a table cannot be formatted. So once you are putting some inside the data, cannot be formatted. No, we can change it. We can change the system, you can change the format of the particular data. So over here, in this case, the data once added to the table cannot be formatted to be false. We can format it. Now what we do is that, now we come to this can be formatted. So this is number F. So we write. So it can be formatted, so we write it false. Notes, we can include numbers. Okay, we don't include, but normally we do text. But if you want, we can put on that. In the practical, we just go and see whether you can put on. We can put on. Yeah. Now, last one is pictures and clip art are just the same. Clip art and just is cannot be the same, because clip art are, you are writing something down, you are writing a text, and the clip art. So you can get that from the art gallery, you can get any predefined structure. But in case of picture, you just insert a picture. So pictures and clip art, you don't have the same thing. So you write it as false. So now it's clear that the first one we have that as false. The top one, the first one you have false. The second one you have as true. The third one you have this, and this fourth one and fifth one. Now, over here also you have seen that, but this is just solving the exercise. In particular examination's point of view, nowadays like all the MCQ pattern will come. Okay, so be prepared for every way of the examination. So, and all the best for your examination, and thank you. So you understand the chapter now. Any problem, you let me know. Thank you.